Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Sentra hood. Locate the interior hood release on the driver's side kick panel and pull it firmly until you hear a pop. Walk to the front, feel for the secondary latch under the center of the hood, push or lift that latch to release. Raise the hood gently and secure it with the support rod or confirm the struts hold it before you begin. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Sentra hood. Sit in the driver's seat and locate the pull handle on the left kick panel, usually labeled with a hood icon. Pull the handle straight toward you with a single firm motion until you hear a clear pop or click indicating the hood released. If the handle resists, open the driver door fully and try one firm pull to free a sticky mechanism. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Sentra hood. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It plays helpful tutorials and keeps your hands free while you work under the hood. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more step-by-step auto tips. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to open Nissan Sentra hood. Walk to the car front and place one hand under the hood lip while lifting gently. With the other hand, locate the secondary safety latch in the center and push or slide it to fully release the hood. Once lifted, secure the hood using the support rod or verify the gas struts hold it, ensuring safe hands-free access for any maintenance or inspection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.